In this video, I will use a very simple example to show you how to use MQA. Here's how the software looks like. This is the MQA main GUI. Before we run anything, the first thing we want to make sure is MQA can call the simulators successfully. Now we want to use HSpice as an example, so we choose HSpice and click OK. It will start to check the HSpice license. And now it shows successful, so we can start to build a project. To create any project, we can go to Lib Explorer and use this Add button to add the library we want to use. Spice is the simulator, and select the model library. It's a very simple single model library. And select the model. You'll see some more information in the right panel. First is the model info setting part. It shows the corner information and the selected model information. And there's also a constant table. It defines the constant value of the bias and the geometries like VDD, VGG, Lmin, Lmax, Wmin, Wmax, and also the constant current like that. And for the additional instance properties part, you can add additional instance information here. And for the simulation options part, you can add simulation options here. For example, the DMDC, you can add it here. Depends on different simulator syntax you need to choose, insert it before or after the model. And then you'll be able to start creating a project. The first one is create a single model QA. The second one is create a corner project. The third one is to create a compare project. For this example, it includes only one model. You can see the second and third bot disabled. We'll use the single model QA as a very simple example now. You can see create projects. It pop up a new window. You need to select the model and go to next. Now from here, you can define the project name and path, and then select the rule and the ICF file. For the rule file, it defines the criteria we want to qualify the model. So we can select it. And the ICF for this lab 1. After you selected the rule and ICF file, we can go to next step. So it will start to passing the rules and show a log file. And now you can see the rule groups and the rule items for each. We have two groups here. Each group contains several items. The button on the right side I used to select all or deselect all. For this example, we don't want to run all the items because it takes longer time. We just select 4 very simple items to check and click this run button. It will pop up this run window. Another thing you can see, there's a box you can uncheck to save the netlist files. And this is very useful for debug. But in most cases, we don't want to save all those netlist files. So we select it and click run. You can see it starts running. Okay, it finished. We can now close this one log window. Click this project readout button to see the readout. After we click it, you can see the readout now shows in a tree on the main window. So you can click on each item to check the readout. And finally, after you check everything, you can right-click Export to report. And you can select the format you want. We can try 2 examples here, PDF and PPT. Customize the layout and then click OK. And now it is finished. We can check the result. This is the PDF format. And there's hyperlinks for you to go to the item you want to see directly. And we can also check the PowerPoint format. There's also a hyperlink, but in PowerPoint format. Pretty similar. Okay, that's the first MQA example. We'll have more examples later and introduce more about the rule files. Thank you.